Welcome to our first lesson in congruency of triangles. Congruency is a fundamental concept in geometry. So this concept is used to classify the geometrical figures based on their shapes. So when there are two geometrical figures, they're said to be congruent if they have the same shape and size. So it is a fundamental concept. When we say geometric figure, see, let it be 1, 2, for example. See, how we say length. So let us take a square. Suppose this square is 1 by 1, another square also is 1 by 1, then they are congruent. Both are square. So all the four sides are equal when we say square. When we say rectangle, suppose if the length is 2, breadth is 1, this also length is 2, breadth is 1, then they are congruent. Suppose say a parallelogram is that this is 1, this is 2. So these two are not congruent. This is parallelogram means there. So these two are congruent. So a parallelogram means another parallelogram should be of the same, not only the length, this angle also should be equal. If the angle is equal, okay, then these two are congruent. Identical in shape and also size, length, breadth or width, whatever it is. In case of triangle, see, all not just triangle means not three sides. Three sides of the one should be equal to three sides of the other. And also all the angles should be equal, then only they are congruent. So we'll come to the congruency of triangle means two triangles are said to be congruent if all the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of another triangle. So let us draw two triangles and just tell. Suppose if two triangles are congruent, suppose if this is, we mark with ABC, this is PQR. So we mark it, this PQ should be equal to AB, like this. PR is equal to AC, and also this QR equal to this BC. We mark like the equal. So these three are equal, and also angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding angles should be. So angle A is equal to angle P. If angle C is equal to angle R. If it is like this, then these two triangles are congruent in the same order. Then if we say A, B, C, here we should write P, Q, R. So how we write A, B, C is congruent to P, Q, R. See, congruency, this symbol we mark like this. When we say ABC, triangle ABC, rather, we write ABC, you say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQ. Let me see, this is our same order. AB is equal to PQ. Next, BC equal to QR. Similarly, CA or whatever. So this is CA is equal to RP. Angle also, see the angles, this angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle C, angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. The same order it should be. Then you say congruent. Two triangles are said to be congruent if all the sides and angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of another triangle. If we say ABC is congruent to PQ, that means this we can simply conclude angle C is equal to angle R, like that, same order. But we say corresponding sides. So now we will come to the SAS postulate. So this is congruency. We have in general the same definition. We did two figures. Corresponding side should be equal. Corresponding angle should be equal. So we will now come to SAS postulate. What is this SAS postulate? This is called SAS side angle side postulate. So this postulate says if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So first we saw the definition. What will be congruency to understand that. But actually, so what is the meaning of this postulate? Instead of putting so many conditions, he says making it less. Only if two sides are equal, he says it's fine. That is, in case AB is equal to PQ and QR is equal to BC. So, like that, if two sides and included angle, he says if one angle is equal, not just one angle, this include angle is B, here include angle is C. So, these two AB and BC, suppose say two sides, and the include angle is P by these two lines. If these three are equal, these two are equal, then it's enough, he says. So where is the proof or how you will, it's a postulate. So how he will try? Suppose you try to draw two diagrams, if AB in so the above example, same thing we will write here again. So A, B, C, P, Q, R. So he says two sides, let us take this AB is equal to PQ and also is BC is equal to QR. These two sides. So this is the included angle B. If this condition is enough, he says other things are automatic. That means that are not. It does not mean others are equal. If these minimum condition, this SAS postulate says if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So let us imagine we are just picking out this ABC and just putting on the PQR. So BC is equal to QR, will simply fix in there. And this angle RQP is equal to CBA. So the QP line also, this AB line also fit over this QP. Same way it will fit. So AB is also equal length that is given. So AB will exactly fit when these two lines are fixed. Third is automatic. That's what this postulate says. So you try to imagine, you draw two figures, you cut the figure triangle ABC, just put over your PQR. And So such that BC is equal to QR. Because the angles are equal, included angle. So it will, the QP and AB to fall one over the other. And also AB is equal to PQ. So it's exactly P and A will coincide. These two are coincided. P or will automatically coincide. You can try it. So this is SAS postulate. Theoretically, there's no other proof for this. So that's it's a postulate. The first basic postulate in this congruency is SAS postulate. This when we say how you are telling two sides, suppose if you know other two sides, the retro angle will be different. That's why retro angle should be equal. So we will see some more conditions. Suppose in some other, we will draw two more diagrams just to tell our point. So in this case, you see this is AB. So this is CD. This is O. So in this case, we will take like this. This AO is equal to OD. This OC is equal to BO. So this vertically opposite angles are equal. So which two triangles are equal? Two sides of this triangle, one triangle, equal to two sides of the other triangle. So how exactly we will write triangle AOB? Triangle AOB is congruent to, so BO is equal to CO here. So we'll start with, so with this triangle, we'll start with the COD. We will write like this. So triangle AOB is equal to triangle COD. This way we have to write, because now you check whether it's correct. The AO is equal to, no, this is not correct. Here we are writing AOB. So this is not correct. We have to say DO. Why we are writing that order? See, AO is equal to DO. OB is equal to OC. CD is equal to PA. This is automatic rather. And the angle, this O should come in the middle. This is correct. This angle. O is coming correct, It should be in the same order. The order we have to remember. When we say AOD, it is here DOC, not COD. See how is coming. That order you just try to study. So the other diagram you study. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is T. So this AB is equal to CD. And this is common. So these two angles are equal. Included angle, this one. So how exactly we write this triangle? ABC. Here we say triangle ABC is congruent. This is symbol is for triangle. When we say ABC, here we should say BBC. See, AB is equal to BD given in the diagram, angle B is coming in the center. Angle B is equal to angle B, the included angle. BC is here, DB here also BC is here. So these two are congruent. This is how we keep the order of the triangle. We can see the triangle ABC. We can say triangle ABC or triangle BAC or triangle CAB. But in this, when you say congruence, you should write in the same order. That's very important. Then only we can link it. Include which is the included angle should come in the middle. That will only be correct. So this is a meaning of the same order, Order is very important. What we say? If two sides at included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two sides undisclosed angle of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So this is first basic and very important thing to understand about congruency. There are similarly other conditions a different way that we will see in the next lesson. Thank you.